I don't want it.
Shot it.
I really don't want it. What is that?
It's pickle juice.
Oh, you're sweet.
Do that.
Ooh. Okay, so let's start with my hair at the front. My locks are different lengths. Like this one is randomly super long, and then the rest of them are like not even close. Like I really feel like this one has like 2 inches on the rest of them, but I'll measure this one because it's one that I've repaired, and then the rest of them. We're gonna put a ruler at the root. We're gonna straighten it. So we are at 22.5, almost 23 inches. Wait, is that upside down? I'm at 22, almost 23 inches for my longest lock in the front. And that comes down to belly button length. And then let's try one of the shorter ones. So this is my not as long in the front. So this other one in the front, which is not one of the locks that I repaired, is 20.5 inches. And let's try another one in the crown of my head. So, and this is probably one of my thickest locks. I've never had to cut this one, I don't think. So this one's also at around 23. So let's measure on my temple, because you know, those are the ones that I feel like get a little scraggly. Mind you, this is one that I've repaired. So this one from root to end is 18 inches, about 18 inches. So let's try one from the side. The ones on the side pretty much all seem to be the same length, so let's go with one of my bleached ones. Let's go with one of my longer bleached ones. 19 inches. On this side, we have a little more variation in the length. This one's a little bit longer. Mind you, I've never repaired this one actually. This one just has held on for all these years. Thank you, boo. So this one's about 20 inches. And now let's take it to the back of my head. So in the back, this one's actually only 16.5 inches. So that's pretty much it. Looks like my shortest lock is about 16 inches and my longest one is about 23. When did I start my locks? I think it was the beginning of 2012. It was the end of 2012, or maybe. You know what, to date, the only thing that helps me remember is watching my lock journey video, so I don't really know. They've grown a decent amount. I'm happy with it. This is actually the first time I've ever done a length check. You can't be mad if you don't have anything to compare it to. That's all I got for today, y'all. But before I leave, let me give y'all a 360 of this hair because I'm not gonna do a full head retwist for a very long time. We need to savor this moment. I'll see y'all in a week or two, and please leave me some comments below. Have fun with it.